The biggest mistake I made while learning Angular was I was learning Angular without a clear goal, without a clear roadmap. I was randomly learning components, routing, RxJS services, but I still didn't feel interview ready. Then I realized something important. If my goal is Angular interviews, then my preparation and roadmap should also be interview focused, right? Because if I learn Angular but cannot crack Angular interviews, then what is the point? So in this video, I will show you a 10-day Angular roadmap, what to learn first, what to learn next, and most importantly, by the end, I will share how to learn Angular in a way so that you prepare for interviews in parallel. So this is not just a Angular roadmap, this is an Angular interview ready roadmap. So let's start with day 1. On day 1, first start with Angular fundamentals. Understand the Angular overview, what Angular is, why it is used, and how it works with the backend technologies like .NET and Java. And if you are completely new to Angular, don't worry. In a few minutes, I will also show you the best and the easiest way to start Angular. Next, learn the TypeScript at very high level. No need to go deep. And if you already know C#, Java, classes, objects, basics, then TypeScript is very easy for you. Next, on day 2, create your first Angular project. This is a very simple task. You can create your Angular project by typing this command. As a result, Angular project will be created with these files. Understand the roles of these files: main.ts, index.html, app component, because you have to later code inside these files. Next, on day 3, understand components. In simple words, if Angular is a house, then components are the bricks of that house. And you can create your first component very simply by using this command. Finally, on day 4, learn data binding, directives, and pipes, which are component related concepts. Once you understand these topics, then you can create basic Angular projects and your Angular foundation is complete. Now, my friend, if you are new to Angular, don't think about completing the whole Angular at once. It will look big, scary, and confusing. Start small. First, complete only these foundation topics and check how comfortable you are with Angular. And the good news is you can learn these topics in just around 2 hours through my free YouTube Angular video. Remember, start small, go step by step, build your foundation first. Next in the roadmap, we move into real-world Angular concepts, the concepts used frequently in the Angular project. First, on day 5, learn Angular Advanced Decorators and the component communication. This will help you understand how the components interacts with each other inside the Angular project. Then, on day 6, learn the services and dependency injection and routing basics. These topics are heavily used in real Angular projects. Next, on day 7, learn how Angular front-end concepts like observables, HTTP client, and async pipe. These concepts help Angular interacts with the backend APIs. This section is extremely important for interviews, so give extra focus here. Next, on day 8, learn about the RxJS operators, lifecycle hooks, and Angular forms. After this stage, you will feel much more confident working on real Angular applications. And yes, when I say day 5, day 6, day 7, that doesn't mean you must finish everything on the same day. Maybe you are already working, maybe you are a student. So if some topics take some more time, then don't worry. The goal is not speed. The goal is understanding Angular properly and becoming interview ready step by step. Now comes the section that make you interview ready. On day 9, learn about JWT authentication and root cards. This help you understand login systems work and how login system work in Angular application. Finally, on day 10, learn modern Angular concepts like HTTP interceptor, signals, Angular 20 plus version, and standalone architecture. So, by following this complete roadmap, you will not just learn Angular, but you are also preparing for interviews step by step. But yes, before anything else, make your goal very clear. If Angular interviews is your goal, then write Angular interviews in the comments right now. By writing it, you are fully committing yourself to this goal. So type Angular interviews in the comments right now. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, done? And yes, for Angular interviews, you can watch my free 2-hour YouTube Angular video. There, I explained Angular concepts with the simple visual diagrams. Then I show practically how to code the concepts in VS Code. And finally, I give simple interview focused explanations, definitions that you can confidently explain in the interviews. With my videos, many students have prepared for interviews and received job offers, better packages, and multiple opportunities. And one day, you will also get the success like them. Also, if you are already very serious about Angular, then you can check out my full complete Angular course for completing the full roadmap step by step of Angular. I have also created an Angular interview handbook for quick revision. The links of free video, Angular course, and the book are given in the description. So don't just learn Angular randomly. Learn Angular with a clear roadmap and a interview focused mindset. I wish you all the best for your career.